So now we've created the block, our next step is placing the block. So let's go to the block layout, and from the wireframe, it looks like we're going to be putting this in the right sidebar. That's the sidebar second region here. Let's click Place Block, and let's search for Josie Jones. Okay. As far as we know, we want this block to display on every page, but we can set some restrictions on where it displays. We can restrict it by different entity types or by roles or pages. Let's just click Save Block. So one interesting property of blocks is that there can be multiple instances of a single block. We saw that earlier when we added a second Powered by Drupal block. We could do the same thing here with the Josie Jones block. Okay, let's save this and go to our home page to take a look. Alright, so this is close to what we want. The title of the block here, though, should say Featured Adventurer, so let's edit that. I'm going to use the Quick Edit link and go to Configure Block, and we'll change the title here to Featured Adventurer. And let's save this. So if we compare with our mockup here, we have Featured Adventurer, the thumbnail, the name, and the description. There's some styling that's a bit off, but that's something our themer or front-end developer can take care of.